So huge bounce forward from here to here. That's great. None of us are making Will Smith eating spaghetti ads. What about AI UGC ads? You're starting to see this term AI UGC pop up. When can this help us? I'm going to show you 3 ads, and I want you to try to guess which one is not using AI. All right, so one of those ads was totally done manually. They found an actor or actress, they, weeks, hours of work, an editor, ideation, the whole process. The other 2, and I really mean this, took 0 humans in the loop. They just were made with a click, the whole thing, end to end, based on a library of footage and other tech. All right, put in your, were you able to do the poll, Melissa? I see everyone putting it in the chat. Okay. Wow, a lot of different answers here. Oh, let me click on poll here, hang on. I see. All right, the answer is this was done completely with AI. C was done completely with AI, and B was done with people. Let's do another one. Here's A.
I was tired of skin that just didn't feel tight. My bestie set me up with Get Dreamy, transforming my nights into restoration time. Enjoy the benefits of smoother toned skin, and Milk Thistle enhances my nightly routine.
Here's B.
Do you have crepey skin? Come here. You need Be Glossy. Imagine being able to smooth out wrinkles with our serum. Just apply daily and see your skin transform. Because harnessing hyaluronic acid and shea butter for elasticity. Try out Be Glossy and feel the firmness return.
And here's C.
Just got so much easier with Maylee's Sweet Dream Sleep Tight Kit. If you're anything like me, one for me, one for you is your motto while holiday shopping, and the Sleep Tight Kit makes the perfect gift for the skincare lover in your life. The combination of the Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip and Get Cozy 2-in-1 Body and Pillow Mist will have you wanting to keep a set for yourself and share the love with others, because sharing the gift of glowing skin starts with yourself. Celebrate the season of giving with Maylee's.
All right, let me flick back over here. I'm seeing a lot of C's is done manually. This one looks more consistently. Wow, you guys all think C. Oh, wait, here comes some B's. How about the poll? I can't see the results of it, Melissa. Can you? I can't hear you. Okay. Well, C, thank you. Yes, you all are very smart because AI, C is manual. If this were more of a conversation, I would love to learn from you what it is you spotted about that ad that feels that way. I have some guesses. Here's the kicker, though. So this is a customer of Airpost called Maylee's. They've run a lot of these ads. They spend millions of dollars a month on paid social. A and C were, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to switch these top performers. The AI ones spent a lot of money, and the manual one did not. Of course, they have a lot of manual ads that do spend a lot of money, but if you've ever wondered, yeah, but like, do these things work? They work. Okay, So these ads are more like assembly, right? These are all real actors. This is all real footage, nothing creepy, nothing uncanny. Full disclosure, these AI ads were all built with AirPost, but there's a lot of other stuff out there I want to share with you guys that's happening. The talking head staring at the camera thing also can work. I'll share some companies that are doing this well. You all have probably experimented with this before. I'm going to show you a top performing ad that's also spent quite a lot of money for manly bands that uses this model.
Embrace your inner outlaw with the cowboy ring. Crafted from black-plated tungsten with a koa wood inlay, this 8mm symbol of ruggedness and confidence will level up your style. Get yours now, slide it on, and tip your hat to a happily ever after.
So what's cool about that, again, from a production and cost standpoint, particularly if you are trying to be scrappy this year and get a lot of things made without a lot of time and money, it's a decent ad. It took somebody time to go pick all that B-roll out. It was built manually, but they did not have to cast a new actor. They didn't have to go back and forth with reshoots or sending a product, that maybe went to the wrong address, or figure out PayPal payments and all that stuff, Venmo. They just probably did it in about 4 or 5 hours, and it was a hit. Okay, what does the future look like? Nobody knows the future, but I live this every day and can share a little bit at least about what I'm seeing. By the end of this year, this I'm sure of because it's already here, you'll be able to artificially shoot images of almost any product. So none of these images exist. This was like a one-shot thing. I didn't even try to massage the prompt or the training model. This is from a company called EverArt that I'll list at the end of this. Some of these are funky, but you go into Shutterstock and you're looking for a picture of someone doing yoga. They have 1 million pictures. You just need one. It's real easy to pick at the ones that are funny. But they got the wording right in this. The coloring of the bottle is right on this bottom one here. So if you don't have much to work with, you can start here. And then this image also was produced with EverArt. Not a real guy, not a real image. Looks pretty darn real, right number of fingers. And then you can pop it into Sora or Runway, and not a bad little few seconds to use in a video ad. Completely manufactured out of thin air with AI. It's getting pretty real now. By the end of this year, you won't need lots of shoots and platforms and all this stuff. You'll just be able to do this stuff yourselves. It gives you guys a ton of power. So you'll be able to artificially shoot almost any image, bring those images to life with video, build out a huge library, and then use AI. We're one of many companies that are working on this to make hundreds of fresh UGC video ads, kind of like all those yoga photos that you choose from versus going and doing a yoga shoot yourself, pre-stock images. We're about to enter an era where you can just look through hundreds of creatives based on certain templates that work, many of them that you've seen on this presentation and this call from others. DeepSeek is a sea change. Essentially what it's going to do is lead to a lot more startups able to dive in and help make creatives and help make everyone's job higher leverage. And write more colloquial scripts. A lot of you have probably realized that AI sucks at writing things that sound authentic. That's absolutely true. You go to ChatGPT and say, write me a TikTok strip for Brooklyn and Sheets. It's going to be pretty corny and not work. But it's getting better and better and better. And there are now many startups that are really focused on fine-tuning those models to make scripts that you can't tell the difference. You saw some of those ads earlier. And then AI will go beyond words to take actions. This is extremely nascent. I mean, this just launched like a week or two ago. Claude has had one for a little longer, but this is real. You can go in and give it access to your Facebook account, ask it to audit your account structure, ask it to do all those annoying uploads and, naming conventions and formatting things and, more complex things. Use Foreplay to find the longest running ads of my competitors, take their hooks and structure, make a script that sounds kind of along the same lines, Slack it to my editor that, I just got set up on Upwork, and tell them to get it to me Monday. And you just type that like a prompt and it goes. If it sounds futuristic, it's really not. I think by the end of this year, we'll all be doing that. Okay, I wanted to leave you all with some things worth checking out. I could have given you 198 AI companies and demos and tweets and vaporware. I tried to keep it focused to things that you saw in this presentation, things that actually work, things that are actually useful for creative strategists today, HeyGen does the best, in my opinion, at the talking head thing. You can also go into CapCut and use it. I've done that a lot. I would highly recommend you pre-sign up for Instagram Edit, the big CapCut competitor they've been working on a long time. There's a lot of AI tools in that. Watching Barry's presentation, which I thought was great, there's also a lot of like filters and AI characters and things that you can use now beyond just what's coming through your lens to really make it look catchy. AI images, I mentioned EverArt. This is like a 5-person company, guys. Again, with DeepSeek, you're going to see a lot more of those that are really powerful. Imagine Create does the same kind of thing. If you've got a fashion brand, you can literally take a shirt image that you threw up on Amazon and make images of lots of models wearing the shirt, and it looks extremely realistic. Image to video, taking images you already have, maybe something that's performing well, maybe something you made out of thin air with EverArt, and just saying to Runway, you don't even have to prompt it. You can just say, 5 seconds, go. Sora, 5 seconds, 9x16, go. And it will make it move like the guy holding the Atlas protein bar. And then end-to-end marketing. This is the vision of AirPost. This is where I think our industry is headed. It's what's putting all these tools and high leverage in your hands. I think creatives will be doing creativity for a very long time, the rest of my lifetime. But these tools on this screen, and particularly these tools that can take action, can just make all of us super creative strategists.
It's time to ship more winning creative with Motion's creative analytics platform that helps you scale winners into unicorns and helps you figure out where your ads might need just a little more help. Join over 2,100 teams shipping winning ads with Motion like Vuori, True Classic, HexClad, and more. Get a free VIP tour today, and you can see how Motion can help your creative strategists and your media buyers speak the same language.